I'm here with about 500 people from Aflao. When you talk of Ghana, we have the ECOWAS region. But when you look at the eastern corner of the Republic of Ghana, we have a town called Aflao. We share the border between the Republic of Togo.
Na yanya yahene ba ko ha me prempre me no mienu ye nim ohen kro eti apese etwe be no ne ni ndi nkomo ba ko mienu bi na fe ye hu ye nti a wo ha no ene. Please, which language are you comfortable with? Can you speak to you for me?
No, let me speak English.
Okay. So please, may I know your name?
I'm Togbe Ajonugaga, Manhyia the 5th. Yeah. Paramount Chief of Aflao Traditional State.
Aflao Traditional State.
From the Volta region.
From the Volta region.
Yeah.
Okay. Does your kingdom have any relationship with the Ashanti Kingdom?
What do you mean by relationship? We are all Ghanaians. As tradition demands, if something happens on your hut, your neighbor, you have to assist.
Okay.
But traditionally, this is not the first time that I've been coming here. My predecessor, Togbe Abemakafiti, the 4th, was here during the funeral celebration of the late Ajima Prempe. When the Opokuwari also passed on to glory, I was invited by the Manhyia Palace to come and mourn, and I was here. When the late Queen Mother, the mother of Otumfuo, also passed on to glory, I was again invited. So you can see that there is some rapport and collaboration between the people of Aflao and Manhyia. So definitely there is a traditional link between us. Yes.
May I know a little history about the Aflao town?
Aflao is the settlement of the eastern coast of the western coast of the Republic of Ghana. Do you get me?
Yeah.
When you talk of Ghana, we have the ECOWAS region. But when you look at the eastern corner of the Republic of Ghana, we have a town called Aflao. We share the border between the Republic of Togo. We have Aflao traditional area and Aflao traditional state. When we talk of Aflao traditional state, we are talking of the settlement of the Aflaos in Ghana, Togo, and Benin. So Aflao is first a traditional area, and second a traditional state. And the headquarters of the traditional state is in Ghana. But traditionally, I rule my people in 3 different countries. So these are the people you are seeing today. I'm here with about 500 people from Aflao to support Otumfuo Mary and his Queen Mother.
May I know your traditional language?
Appiah.
Okay, did I get the pronunciation right? Appiah.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
my people in the Republic of Ghana, we speak Appiah. When you cross the border to Togo, I have my people there. The guns, some of the guns travel from Accra to come and settle on my island.
That's good. Please, your full name again.
Ajonugaga.
Appiah.
Yo.
Yana from Volta region, Aflao said the Omo pronounce no. Ya can Aflao, but Otumfuo Oma, Aflao, Omo can Appiah, Kasa, Omo any no mbebo komo no say enye nne na wonu free bar asante mema no abra ade ato Otumfuo ani na Omo beboa ama na yiti ene they are here purposely say Omo beboa ama de otu okro wi okra ne bra nwoma so ne maame ni nua ba oda fomo ne dot ye bibia atimi akonkan enti yare ye de sia na yada nananom ase ye beka se Appiah mao kata abusia ye fa ye ni enchemu ewo Aflao Aflao yaka na Aflao nanso enne yɛtwebe yɛ nananom a wɔn efiri Aflao sɛ deɛ yɛka no ɛna wɔn di kodi nkɔmɔ no yɛn ho sɛ nyɛ Aflao sɛ deɛ yɛka no no Aflao sɛ nananom angonafo a mufiri Aflao baeɛ na anka ne yɛ a momfa nkyɛn togbe ɛfa a wɔsɛ wɔn ɛne ɛne wɔn di nkɔmɔ wɔn ne dɔm ɛna wɔn mufiri Aflao a wɔn de wɔn ani akyerɛ mu Aflaomanhene ɛyɛ togbe amenyina fiti a wɔn ɛtɔ so enum wɔn ne dɔm ɛna wɔn nso efi Aflao no hɔ a wɔn de wɔn ani akyerɛ mu na yɛ sɛ ɛnɛ nɔkɔsɛm nie ɔmaa no ne nuto ne ne nata ne ntwodo ne ne ntwada so tire ɛne tire ne nkɔn ne nkɔn ne mfimfini ɛne ne nasa ɛne nasa so obiara wɔn mo aba abɛpie mu ano ama na yɛ fɛ baa.
Ya Richie Kesse abo asanteman ene sei nufu kakraka amansa nyina enoma no asanteman nyina nufu kesse a yenoma no na amakura du yi adomoto so yensa na asantema wakra kra preko woti nanan mo nse do na akwa akura ama enne asanteman esuso yetimi nsu yenom dade ebuom na ato ene abese no emu ya na nso ensa nyina obade nyakopon na asem ama Otumfuo setu ababio asanteman wura wosu so wontimi nsu onum dade abuam na to ne abese no osebe family fan ni nie emu ya na nso nsem nyina obade nyakopon na asem emu ya pa ene asantema ato ne abese no yesu bra ye twajo emu ya nso nsem nyina ye de bema obade nyakopon na asem
Appiah etumiduku yesramo Appiah etumiduku Edamwase
Akutina nanu mwanzia dunia Upafa mengrama wamu Omosu menaya, omosu masumujie Mpuntu Enyumapa Dio koji Dankana Blabro Membrao wachina Membrao waprebia Pramisa Asantman na Madam Rifo National House of Chiefs Madam Rifa Die Natie Diobeya no waya no Wedi ejuma Kwanda di Braketi Deye Diobeya no waya no Wedi ejuma Kwanda di Braketi Deye
Amen. Moja Otumfuo, Asia from Jerusalem. Amen. Amen. Australia to Boko, and you are our two. Now, all the house and carrying here in your dance, where Jan and your fan and you go on. Next is Lay of Wreath. Lay of Wreath.
Otumfuo Cerebral II. adenti ne ebube ne brebe nse si ebube ebeye de den
kura preko enim sebe odwampopo bi esi kuro ni mu a wase wadore sra
tanyini wontena fie ema aseduamfo
blani pie frimantam bahin se pin enye nkwande wa na yesotro no wa
ansa na odi asebe fita na no makodi ebrensi am wa otua ne nsem mojabumo nim hu
duanani wie klaman wo ye sofo kra wo nye yie bi
tontonte ye no nsa na ye fa
Nyansapo
abone ntakra na mane yekese na ntakra abone die fanyinam kwatere kwa
wada woro ma ntoma ye fe ni din de sei
ni din de obama
akola wa no so pese otimu osuma ense bratam
tefam ne honhon hia na amerika sa
sabe ka ya twa ni mu nyame nai ebu afa so enye de ya twa ni mu twa nyame